guys, ¿cómo estás? It's your girl CHEZ here, back with a new video. For today's video, I'm going to be doing this sunset inspired makeup look. So if you want to know how I did this, don't forget to watch the whole video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, follow me on Instagram. My logo is right there. Bye bye, and let's get back into the video. As usual, starting out with the bare face, panda eyes, and not so perfectly imperfect skin. But you know what? Ignore this right now. So for the starters, I'm gonna take my essential oil applied on my face as usual. So while applying this oil, I'm going to talk you through why is applying oil so essential for your skin. If you have dry skin like me, then applying oils is really helpful. Like if you do makeup without applying oils and serum, after makeup, it's going to look very cakey. It's going to look very, like scaly. Dry skin looks scaly whenever you apply makeup. So it's better to apply any kind of makeup or any serum before you do anything. Like anything, even the concealer, foundation, compact. Just apply serum or oil. It will just help your skin glow better, and it will help you to protect your skin from all the chemicals in the products. Let's go to the next step. Today I'm not going to go directly in with the face. Today I'm going in with the eyes first. Yes, you heard me. I'm going in with the eyes. Because, today I'm playing with really dark colors. I don't want them to fall over my face then. Just all that. I don't want to look like a color palette today. So, let's get in with the eyeshadows first. Then the whole base and everything. Today I'm going to show my whole completely base makeup because many of the comments are telling me that I don't do my base. So let's get in with that. So today I'm going to be using these shades for the sunset look. Starting out with light yellow, then going in with little orange, then red, and applying this golden kind of shade on my inner corner. So let's get on with it. Let's go with the base first, and I'll take this shade over here, this one, the light peachy kind of shade, and apply it all over my eye. My base applied. Next I'm going to go in with this light yellow first, then I'm going to go in with the dark yellow. Still, I'm not just going to apply it inside my eyes, I'm going to apply it all over my eyes. Applying yellow shadow all over my eyes. Oh my god, I look like somebody has jaundice. But you know what? Trust the process. Don't trust the first look, trust the process. Oh my god, what's wrong? Applied the lemon yellow all over my eyes. I'm gonna go in with this yellow. It's kind of dark yellow, but it's not too dark. I don't know the name of this yellow. I do know the name, but I forgot what it was called. If you get what I mean. Let's go in with it. I'm gonna apply inside. go in with this orange. This orange.
Orange is not supposed to be applied inside the acidity. Right outside.
To be honest, I really like the pigment of this palette. Like, wow. So after I'm done applying the orange, I'm just gonna blend everything together so it does not give me the harsh lines over my eyes and it looks a little bit more like the sunset. So after I'm done applying the orange, I'm gonna go in with this red shade. I mean, look at this pigment. Wow. I just think this red binds this whole sunset look together very well. It is so beautiful. Oh, mama mia. I'm gonna take a little more of the yellow because I think the red is overpowering. I'm just going to apply it all over my eyes. And don't worry about this whole over here and the spreaded eyeshadow. I'm gonna clean it up while I do my base. So you shall never worry and trust the process. After I'm done applying this, we're gonna take a break from eyes over here and do our base first. Then go with the eyes back to apply the glitter and everything. So let's get on with the base. And starting is always with the concealer. This is the Maybelline in the shade 25 Medium Moyen. It's not the beige because I just felt my dark circles have been going. I don't sleep. So why not go with this? So while applying concealer, you have to be very careful of not ruining your eye makeup. So be very careful over here. And this is the trickiest part for me. Just give me a sec. My skin is not at the best right now, so I'm gonna apply it here and there too. So don't mind that. Isn't that I'm trying? So after I applied my concealer, next I'm gonna go in with my foundation that is as usual the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. If you ask me any brand, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline. Love this brand. Now it's time to blend it. Don't spoil my eye makeup, but blend it. That is so dark. Oh my god, it's going to rain. And suddenly it is so dark. I just went and put the lights on. It was too dark and it's raining. After I'm done applying the contour, I'm gonna go in with my Gigi Hadid's light medium clear tinted primer. As I told before, I like to use this as a contour because this shade, that's not a primer, that's a contour. So for contour, go in a 3. 1.
That's a 2. And that's 3.
After I'm done blending my contour, next I'm gonna go in with my translucent loose powder from Lakme 9 to 5 Natural Finishing Powder. Because we're coming to an end of this tutorial. I'm just gonna apply it over here. Go with this. I'm gonna go with this shade for the inner corner of my eyes and make it look good. As I'm done applying the glitter too on my eyes, let's just brush off the excess of the eye with my sunset. Oh my god, don't do much. I'm gonna go in with my sunset Maybelline Master Blush and apply it all over. Do not make it too red. Now I'm done with the eyes. I'm not done with the eyes. I forgot the eyeliner. I'll be right back. So I've applied my eyeliner. You can see how drastically the eye look changes just by applying the eyeliner. For the highlight, I'm gonna go in with this Lakme Sheer highlighter. I like this. And it gives you the pink glow on my nose and my cheeks. So after I'm done applying my eye makeup, I'm done applying my base. Next I'm gonna go in with my matte ink in the shade of 205 Assertive because it matches my eyes. And then we're gonna be complete with the whole look. So that's the final look. I'm just gonna do my hair real quick and I'll be right back. Bye bye. Yeah, and I'm back. Braided my hair, my makeup is good. So if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And leave a comment below to let me know how you feel about looking at my videos. Do you like it? Do you don't like it? Anything is welcome. So I'll see you next time. Bye bye.